Welcome to TCYT Steel Processing Machine, one-stop procurement gallery. What you see now is the fully automatic CNC steel ball bending machine series. The YT bend machine series can be divided into multiple models based on the diameter of the processed steel bars or whether it has a plate bar function. The machine is equipped with an intelligent control touchscreen. You can input values to produce, and the operation is simple. TCYT machinery has stable performance, low failure rate, and guaranteed after-sales service.